where do you want us?
Llewellyn, Llewellyn, we talked last year at the Airbus Summit today. You made an update of the program. What have been the most significant efforts and progresses that you have made since last year?
So we've made significant progress on the ecosystem side, where we've established MOUs basically across every continent in the world, understanding what could be the price of hydrogen, can we get the quantities of hydrogen that we need at airports. We've also given an update today on our ambitions with respect to a fuel cell propulsion system, where we've revealed our vision, our target for a fuel cell propulsion engine, as well as some of the demonstration activities we've already started on ground in Munich. So it's exciting times and lots of progress to report on ZEROe.
Yeah, you have developed a fuel cell technology, a demonstrator, 1 megawatt power, already quicker than you expected?
Yes, the teams have been extremely engaged in allowing us to be successful in what we're doing, and I think across the board that's been maybe even a little bit underestimated. This project, the dream of allowing people to physically connect with zero climate impact, is one that motivates a lot of people and has got everybody motivated to deliver on that ambition.
Does it mean that Airbus is now pushing for the fuel cell technology compared to the direct burn of fuel cell in a gas turbine?
At the moment we're pushing both technology streams in parallel. You can see that we've got 2 demonstrators, one focusing on fuel cell technology, the other focusing on gas turbine technology. There are advantages and disadvantages, challenges and opportunities that each one poses. We're not at any point right now to make a decision about what one we take forward onto a commercial product. They're both equally interesting, and that's why we're going to demonstrate them.
You demonstrated on an A380 testbed, Amazon 001.
Exactly.
How important is that, and what are you looking for then in these kind of tests that will make up your mind what way to go?
So it's really important to understand how these propulsion systems operate in flight. If we're going to be taking the subsequent steps, which are about commercializing these technologies, we absolutely need to understand how they operate at altitude, how they operate in the pressure environment, how they react when they're vibrated in a realistic takeoff and landing and cruise phase. So these elements are just super important for us to understand.
Yeah. This morning I asked a question to Guillaume Faury. What if the hydrogen ecosystem is not ready? And he said, well, maybe then we might have to delay our program launch. Is that something that worries you, or are you confident that the ecosystem is getting along on time?
So our approach to this topic is not to try and predict the future, but to create it. That's why we've got an ecosystem team that's working with partners in the energy sector, working with airports, working with airlines, working with local municipalities even, in order to make that ecosystem available, because we recognize how important it is.
Get in the lead.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.